Helo, Mair dwi, a dwi eisiau helpu chi gyda uned 6. Yn uned 6, dyn ni'n dysgu siarad am y tywydd, the weather, a phobl eraill, other people. Mae pawb yn hoffi siarad am y tywydd. When we speak about the weather, we use the feminine version of it is. Dych chi'n cofio? Do you remember? Mae hi'n hoffi siocled. Mae hi'n darllen. Mae hi'n nofio. So, if we want to talk about the weather, we start the sentence in the same way. Mae hi'n. Mae hi'n. However, many people don't say the word he when speaking, just mine. Mae hi'n, mine. So, let's siarad am y tywydd, talk about the weather. Gwrandewch. Mae hi'n braf. Mae hi'n stormus. Mae hi'n oer. Nawr, eich tro chi. Your turn. Eich tro chi. I'll give you a prompt and you tell me what the weather's like. Before we start, do you remember how to say, how's the weather today? Sut mae'r tywydd heddiw? Da iawn. Barod? 1, 2, 3. Sut mae'r tywydd heddiw? Mae hi'n braf. Sut mae'r tywydd heddiw? Mae hi'n sych. Sut mae'r tywydd heddiw? Mae hi'n oer. Sut mae'r tywydd heddiw? Mae hi'n stormus. Da iawn. Beth yw it's raining? Mae hi'n bwrw glaw. It's snowing? Mae hi'n bwrw eira. You were introduced to the treiglad meddal, the soft mutation in uned 4. Dych chi'n cofio? Edrychwch ar y sgrin. You already know that you need to use the soft mutation after o, from, and I, to. Dwi'n dod o gas newydd. Dwi'n mynd I Fangor. In uned 6, we meet another important example of the soft mutation. Barod? Adjectives mutate after yn. Da changes to yn o dda. So, we need to remember this when we talk about the weather. For example, gwyntog, mae hi'n wyntog. Twym, mae hi'n dwym. Beth am ymarfer? I'll give you a prompt and you say the sentence out loud. Twym. Mae hi'n dwym. Gwlyb. Mae hi'n wlyb. Cymylog. Mae hi'n gymylog. Da iawn chi. You see many examples in uned 6 where we use sut mae, how is. For example, sut mae'r tywydd, sut mae'r dosbarth, sut mae'r plant. Mae is used in questions starting with sut, ble, pryd, pam. Gwrandewch and repeat. Sut mae'r dosbarth? Ble mae'r dosbarth? Pryd mae'r dosbarth? Pam mae'r dosbarth yn Abercastell? Da iawn chi. Iawn. Cofiwch. The word for the is y. Enghraifft, for example, y neuadd, y bws, y dosbarth. However, it is before a vowel. Yr awyren, yr eira. It becomes apostrophe when it follows a vowel. I'r ysgol, Sut mae'r tywydd? Beth am ymarfer? I'll give you a word and you have to put y or before it. Rhif. Y rhif. Nos. Y nos. Amser. Yr amser. Bwyd. Y bwyd. Ysbyty. Yr ysbyty. Da iawn. I hope that overview helped you a little with Uned 6. Look at Uned 6 in the course book and check out our online resources again for more support with Uned 6. Pob hwyl!